Black played from this side, white blocked, and black connected. Where white should play? If white plays here, what happens later? Right now, black can play this move and later play center, right? If white plays here, same. But there is an interesting move. What about playing from this side? Now, if white plays here, what happens? Can black try to kill this stone? It doesn't really work, right? White can just play from this side. What happens later? Black can play like this, white will play here. If black decides to play from this side, white will simply block. And now, when black connects, white doesn't need to play, right? Because he has already this stone, which helps with protecting this one. So, in this moment, with this move, white protected this place and also this place. It's opening, white's turn, where to play. On the start, let's have a look what's around. White has a stone here and here. It's some help, yes, so white can start maybe some attack. Here attack in this situation is invading, right? When white invades, black most likely will not have a base, so then the surrounding stones can help with attacking. If white plays here, black has generally two options. First exchanging this one and now playing from this side or from this side. If black plays from this side, white will protect himself in the corner, and then without this stone, this would be nice extension. But there is a stone, so it would be probably playing like this from this side. It's a little bit too small. So in my opinion it's not so comfortable for black, and white should be happy. If black decides to play from the other side, from this one, now when white connects, black can also connect, white plays some keima, and what happens? Black has a wall, but white has a stone here. Black cannot make a nice extension from the wall. If there was no stone, black could think about playing like this and try to make here nice territory, but when white has a stone, it's not so easy for black. So this situation should be also good for white. What's the difference between this and this shape when white plays here? When black has this shape and when white plays here, in my opinion it's good to consider taking a wall, because the corner is not so big. When black has a stone here, then this territory is a little bit bigger, and also white has more space to survive inside. When white plays here and black plays from this side, when white plays for example here, black can play from this side, white will play here, black will play from this side. This is a common variation in this situation. Like this, white makes a life in the corner and black gets a wall. Black has center, is playable for both normally. Of course, not on the start. On the start, this is just not good for white, because black gets a wall, and center, like if it's start of the game, of course it's good for black. But when there are some stones around, it's possible variation. If black decides to take a wall in this shape, playing here for example, then white will play from this side. And now, doesn't matter if black will connect or play here on the second line, white can play this keima. Black doesn't have so nice shape, right? White will have a little bit more points in the corner. It also makes it easier for him to survive. Usually black tries to play from this side, not from this but from this. Then when there is a stone here, usually black plays from this side. When black plays here, white can simply play from this side and black takes corner. It's a little bit better for black because he has more points.